In this video, we're going to talk about how to get free products as an Amazon influencer. Between Amazon influencer and TikTok Shop affiliate, I've done over $180,000 between these two. And a big part of it was the ability to first get free products and then eventually leverage those into relationships where I was able to do paid opportunities with brands where they would pay me to do product reviews for them. But it all starts with finding free products. Now, you probably know the most obvious way is that brands will reach out to you, but that's out of your control. So we want to do something that is in your control. I'll make a quick note on that. One of the best ways to get brands to reach out to you is just to make sure your content is getting put in multiple places. So for example, you can use something like repurpose.io and have it sent automatically over to a YouTube channel where you add your email into that channel so influencers or so brands are easily able to find you. That's how you're going to be able to get a lot of brands reaching out to your email, asking if you'll do review content for them. I believe there's also an option you can edit profile and add some of those socials and emails and stuff like that. But specifically what I want to talk about today is a little Chrome extension. Let me make sure you can see it before we start diving into it right here, called Viral Views. So what you can do, I have other videos covering this. There's going to be a link in the description that takes you to this page, and this is my full review of it. And we also have bonuses that's going to help. It's going to be a no-brainer for you with the crazy bonuses we're offering. But I also have a couple other videos talking about creator connections and some cool things that Viral View will do for creator connections. It honestly makes it makes Viral View almost a guaranteed profit no matter what if you have some videos already up because of creator connections, which is awesome. It is so cool. But in this video, I want to focus primarily on getting free products. So we'll come back here, and what we're going to want to do is go to the Viral View and then go to creator connections. This is going to take us over to, again, this used to be 0. Now, all of that is one click from Creator Connections, which is wild. So I really just reinstalled it. So it says 0 free products because they actually just added this. So they've made 2 crazy good additions. I used to use Viral View. I stopped using it. I came back when they started the Creator Connections thing because, again, it's just free money. I could click one button every morning and I could guarantee that I was going to make more than I pay for the software. But the second thing they just added was this right here, where it actually tracks your campaigns, the free products you get, the value of those, all of it. Really, really cool. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Open Product View, accept related campaigns. I'll just go ahead and show you since we're right here. It's accept tagged, accept, and then put start. And that's going to take all the videos you've ever made and automatically accept you for creator connections. And that's going to give you 10, 15, 20% as opposed to the 2 to 3% you would normally get. But in this video, we're going to talk about how to get free products. So you click, again, Open Product View. And over here are the viral scores. This is going to change every time you open it. I would say 80 to 85% of the time, you're going to have opportunities that are in the green, which I believe is 80 and up. Which basically means if you make review videos on this, it is very likely you're going to make money on them because there's not a lot of competition. It's selling a bunch, whatever their actual algorithm is. For the viral score. So what I can do is come in. First of all, I want to edit my message. So you come up here. You can see this is a message I have, but just write one that's in your own voice so it doesn't look like it's the exact same of everybody else's. And it uses... Ooh, actually, I'm not using this right now. I need to add that in. So it uses that right there, these products. So make sure that's in because that's the personalization for the specific ASIN that you're asking for. So now, here's a preview. I'm interested in these products, right? So pretty straightforward. Now I'll save that. Now I have my template. So all I'm going to do is come over here. I'm going to click OK. These all look like good products. I can get, oh my gosh, 40% on the campaign is on the campaign commission. That's going back to, again, the creator connections. So I definitely want this free product because any sale I make, I get 40% on. That is nuts. And it's worth it for these brands because they know once they'll pay you 40 up front because they know once someone starts using their product, they'll continue to use it. So, I mean, you're obviously only getting paid on the first one, but they'll give you really high bonuses because of that. That's wild. So I come down here, I select all the ones that I want, then I click send message. Now you can do this manually. It just takes forever to do that. You can also, if I wanted to, so if I found the product anywhere else, you can also reach out to them. This is just the best way to do it. It's just auto-selecting message. But what you can do is go to their account and then go to, it's in campaign. That's where it is. So you could go open product view, switch to campaign, select any campaign ID, and then right over here, select message board or message brand, and then you can contact them that way. So what happens is then all of your messages end up down here. And this is the new thing where, let me just go to a really, really old one. Now, if we were to agree to something, I can create a brand deal. I can manage those deals. So I can say what the ASIN is, what the brand name is, any notes that I want to make about like their specifications for the review or what the product is or whatever. And then what stage is the deal in? Am I waiting to hear back from them? Am I negotiating? Is it been confirmed? Whatever. So this is so powerful. This is actually, again, this part is new too. This is such a great addition from them. Sorry about that. My recording software blipped on me for a second, but this is a really, really cool new addition because again, you would used to have to, it was hard to find which brands you were communicating with, where they are. Again, there's so many that I'm reaching out to that it's hard to find. What we talked about all of this, there's also an option here to search deals. Both of these two things are a game changer in the software. Again, I've gotten tens and tens and tens of thousands of free products. I probably only have like between 10, 15, maybe 20 doing it straight from Viral View, but it's by far easier. It's been 100 times easier being able to do it this way. Again, I wake up once a day in the morning. I accept all related campaigns. I open the product view and I just go through and I use like 20 messages in the morning and then I don't look at it again until the next day. And then the next day I'll reply to people who did. I always recommend this too. If you don't see like really good viral score ones here, go to the top and just start going down. I wouldn't do that one. That's a 0. But even these ones that are less likely, like these are the high-end options or the high-end products. So even if you don't make as many sales, it's still a lot higher ticket. I mean, $10 on a $300 item, if you're making $30 per sale is really, really good. This really revives the Amazon influencer program in a lot of ways. Between the Creator Connections is good, but the ability to use Viral View to automatically go into Creator Connections and sign up for these campaigns in a matter of minutes and get hundreds and thousands and tens of thousands of dollars in free product using this software. Please pick it up. It's a no-brainer. All you need to do is go to the link in the description. If you want the full review, you can see it there. And you will also get all of these bonuses. I talk about the bonuses here inside of this video. If you have any questions for me, let me know in the comments. And I wish you the best getting massive amounts of free products from these brands and eventually leveraging them into paid opportunities. Hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video.